Baba Booey, Baba Booey, Baba Booey, Baba Booey.
Welcome back to the Dencrn channel. My name is Den. Today, oh god, I'm not okay. You may have seen this laptop from the last video. I may have hackintoshed it. However, there's one problem that we need to fix. See this right here? This is the battery we need to replace. So this has basically got a capacity of basically fuck all. It's at 11% health, according to coconut battery inside of macOS. Like, literally, here is the proof on the screen now. This is my primary laptop, and I need a fully functioning 100% battery health battery, or at least just under. Now, this is pretty much what it's going to perform like without a battery. We're going to do this nano selling on Gumtree style. Why are you turning on? Okay, that was weird. It shouldn't have been on. There was no battery in it, unless if I left it on sleep. Oh, please don't tell me I need a battery just for it to boot. You gotta be joking, right? Nah. Nope, it just took a bloody age. Okay. That is just weird. Why are you still taking forever? Oh, shit. Okay. Yeah, I need to configure that again. I'm just gonna press F1. It shouldn't be too important. It's just a CMOS. I can just fix that later. Hackintosh SSD. Probably gonna perform the exact same with or without the battery. Oh yeah, the same situation as our last episode. Subscribe to Dencrn, like right here. And I literally need to enter my password. Here we go. We're basically in macOS. Oh, there's no way this is gonna be like deprecated as all hell. Okay, it's taking some time. Here we go. Oh my god, the CPU is unknown. Oh, that's funny. Okay. That is actually kind of funny. Holy. So basically, let's just pretend I'm doing work. Let's open up. Oh, yes, I can do it. Currently writing a text document because why not? Lol. And oh no, I accidentally unplugged my laptop. It's basically dead. So I've just ordered a new battery off of eBay. So I'll be back when it arrives right here. The battery replacement has arrived. Now, what am I going to use to put this battery into my laptop? Well, cheap Chinese shit. Quite literally, that is literally what we're going to be using to open this. So I'm going to get straight into it with, you know, pulling out the laptop, and I'm gonna time lapse me opening this because I need to see. And having a microphone and a tripod in front of me makes it really hard to see. So I'm going to cut to a time lapse where I open this. Hopefully it works properly. Hopefully it doesn't cause any issues trying for me to open it. I can't even get half these screws out, so we're gonna just lowball it, I guess. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off so I can actually focus on getting this in because I'm struggling to get this in on its own right now. So I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, the battery is now back in. Took me a minute and I am genuinely sweating now because of how painful that was to put in. But it is in. I don't know if the routing is correct, but comment section, do let me know. Because if it isn't, then, well, Galaxy Note 7 question mark? So I'm going to put the top back on. It does shut. Actually, I should probably check if it's the right cabling. Give me 1 second. Okay, so it looks like the wiring is not correct. So I now have to open this back up again and actually fix it. So give me 1 minute. So I'm gonna just snap my fingers and it'll be fixed right. There we go. That took me an absolute age, but it should be all good now. I'm just gonna put the back case back on and I'm gonna click my fingers again, of course, to put it on. So oh, far out. So it's now fully plugged in. We're gonna turn it on and hopefully this all worked. So I'm just gonna open the laptop normally, like nano selling on Gumtree style. And I'm gonna open up coconut battery and see if the laptop is at decent health. Oh yes. Oh, that's so sick. We have 93. Wow, Discord. Thanks. Yes, that is so sick. 93.6 design capacity. Heck yeah. It is still a bit inaccurate. It needs some training, but other than that, we should be all good. So yeah, I think that's where we're going to wrap up this Dencrn video. Thank you all very much for watching this. If you happen to enjoy it, consider subscribing, leaving a like. If you want to support my content and get some extra videos, there's a Patreon down in the description below. It costs as little as $5 a month. Australian of course. You get some extra videos, behind the scenes, early access, a Discord role, which if you're not part of the Dencrn Discord, I'll leave that in the description as well. And it all starts as little as $5 per month, that being Australian of course. Thank you all very much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.